Hi everyone, in this video I'll be showing you how to wear multiple hats on Roblox. First of all, you have to click on, uh, first of all you have to go to in avatar and go to in head and body. So let me change the head first. Let me choose any the normal head. Now go to head and body and then hair. Now guys, if we're trying to choose hairs from here, you can see that it doesn't allow me to select more than one hair. So how can I select multiple hairs? You can see it automatically unselects the previous one. So how can I select multiple hairs? To select multiple hairs, what you can do, you have to open a new tab and search for BT Roblox. You have to search for this keyword BT Roblox and just enter and go to this first link, click on it and install this extension on your browser. So this is the extension that allow you to select multiple items, multiple accessories, multiple hairs. So now once you install this, make sure it is enabled in the background. Go to extension, go to manage extensions and make sure it is enabled in the background. And now go to Roblox page and refresh your page. Now guys, go to head and body again. And now if you're trying to select multiple hairs now, it allow you to do that. As you can see, you can do select as many as hair you want. It allow you to select more than two hairs. So yeah, that's how you can do it. I'll give you the link of the extension in the description. Hope you like it. Thanks for watching.